this channel where we spread love and positive vibes. Today I've come happy, so happy, and I'm going to tell you why in the course of the video. But before I do that, I want to thank our new subscribers and our returning subscribers. We really appreciate you. Thank you so much for your messages. They really encourage me. When you tell me that you enjoy what I do, I really get encouraged by your messages. So thank you so much, and I salute you. Today we are going to talk about a song. I came across this song and I could not imagine what people were saying about Jamaica. Guys, tell us your secret. Why do everybody love Jamaica? Imagine people saying, I wish I was a Jamaican. But before I go to the comment that people are giving, there is this song sung by a singer called Chronix. The singer is from Jamaica, and the song is Smile Jamaica. First of all, I could not even understand or even comprehend, or even I was amazed that somebody can just love their country this much. You know, I always talk about Jamaica loving their country, embracing their country, loving their culture. But I never knew somebody can love their country to an extent of actually calling the country his girlfriend. Chronix sang a song, Smile Jamaica, and this is the creativity on the top notch. This guy imagined Jamaica is his girlfriend, and he was singing the song to his beloved country. And he was telling the country that never you cry, you are mine. She tell me that we are home. Home is Jamaica. Never you cry, you are mine. I'm here for you, Jamaica. Girl, you are mine. Beautiful. And he mentions the beauty of Jamaica, the sunshine, the beautiful climate. And I was saying, wow, what a person. Do you know, sometimes you people, you hear us talking about Jamaica, and maybe you think we are exaggerating. Maybe you think all sorts of things. But sometimes when I hear some things from Jamaica, they get deep into my soul, and I feel like crying. Because for a person to love their country this much, that they sing a song comforting the people of their country, telling them, even if you go through ups and downs, still smile Jamaica, because good things are on the way. This is just a passing crowd. And he encourages his own countrymen. And he talks about the beauty of his country. And he tells his country, I love you. You are mine. Stop crying. Smile Jamaica. And I really loved the song. I loved the lyrics. And sometimes I marvel at the talent that is with Jamaicans. Imagine this guy just kept quiet and just decided to make Jamaica his girlfriend. And he sang about this girlfriend that he loves so much, and comforts the girlfriend and tells the girlfriend, you are mine. I'm here for you. Beautiful you are, with great sunshine, great beauty. Don't worry, you are safe, Mama. I could not, guys, I don't know even what to say. This song made me to love Jamaica even more. If at all a person can just keep quiet, and decide to sing about his country, and decide to comfort the people of his country, and decide to compose a song about the country he loves so much. It was epic. And guys, I cannot wait to tell you the reaction of the people that were listening to the song. This song was the song of the day to so many people who are listening to it. And these are some of the comments I came across of people who are even wishing they were Jamaicans. And sometimes at times, when I watch Jamaica and what they do, and the positive vibes, and the great soul they have, and the ability to smile in the midst of maybe calamities, like the hurricanes, like the, what was there? The Hurricane Beryl. I found Jamaicans smiling, encouraging one another, supporting one another, family ties. Sometimes I also wish I was a Jamaican. Not saying Kenya is bad, but you admire what the people of Jamaica do. How they love their country, how they love each other, how they comfort each other, how they actually support each other. That when you belong to Jamaica, you feel that you belong to a community. You belong to a family. You belong to people who care. Who doesn't want that? And therefore in the comment section, it was full of people who wished they were Jamaicans. And I'm going to read some of the comment section, or rather some of the comments that people are commenting during this song. Somebody said, I'm more. I don't know what that means. And this is all already. He's called all already. And he says, I'm more. All my life in US, I've never had a song like this for the US. I guess it's just too many negative peeps here. Anyway, big ups to Chronics and all the positive talent that resides in Jamaica. Everybody recognizes that Jamaica is the factory of talents. Everybody salutes Jamaica for their talents. And this one is a person from United States of America. And he says that all through his life, he has never had such a song. And he appreciates the great talent in Jamaica. Then we have this one. This one saying, this man makes Jamaica his girlfriend, respecting his country. If we did treat Jamaica like how he speaks in the song, and Jamaica did wrote and put us the map, Time Race 2024, something like that. And somebody says, we love you, Jamaica, from Ethiopia. This is Rick. He says that we love you, Jamaica, and he's from Ethiopia. And this one says, Jamaica seem to be patriotic and with lots of love for their country. These are people just pouring their hearts and admiring this country that we call Jamaica. And this one says, my mom named me after such a beautiful country, proud Jamaican. Oh my God. Smile world. Okay. Let me go to others. There were so many comments. People actually appreciating the talent that is in Jamaica. This one says, imagine guys, you cannot imagine what people are saying. This person is called Pescio Rino. I hope I'm spelling good. Pescio Rino Paratuto. And he says, my feet are in Italy. My brain is in Jamaica. I smile from Italy. This guy is an Italian. And he says that his feet are on Italy, but his brain is in Jamaica. What great love. And this one says, this is Miss Margot. Miss Margot says, from Zimbabwe, I will visit Jamaica one day. It's a dream that I pray comes true. Still Jamaica to this fire tune. So he says that he dreams that one day he will go to Jamaica. I always tell you that people love Jamaica. People would want to visit Jamaica once in their lifetime. And now you can see in the comment section, people are actually desiring to go to Jamaica. There is this one saying, this one is just praising Chronics. This one is saying, Jamaica music in general is engaging. And I have no doubt that artists from the major music industry have many of you as reference. In other words, musicians from other countries have Jamaica as the reference because of the great talent that is in Jamaica. And he continues and says, I respect Jamaican artists. Then the other one says, this is style sick. The context of this song, the way he painted the image of Jamaica as a beautiful girl that is going through trouble but telling her to smile, makes me know he's on a different level. Much respect. So this one is also praising the singer. This one, now here is where, this is where I was shocked. This person is called Kaiyan Bad. And he says, I am from South Africa. I wish I was Jamaican or rich enough to live there full time with my kids. I tell you, Jamaica, you are loved. People love you. People admire you. People appreciate you. Imagine a guy saying, I am from South Africa. I wish I was Jamaican or rich enough to live there full time with my kids. He's wishing he's a Jamaican or he can have enough money to go and live in his lifetime in Jamaica together with his family. Then we have this one is saying, the music brings me tears of joy from Nigeria. So people are really loving the talent that is in Jamaica and the kind of songs that the Jamaicans sing. One of them has said that the other artist, it's like they make Jamaica their reference. And this one says, Jamaica all the way. Kisses from East Africa, coastline of Kenya. So this one is a fellow Kenyan, and his name is Royce Maringa. And he says, kisses from East Africa, coastline of Jamaica, and says Jamaica all the way. People love you guys, and they really appreciate what your artists do. Then we have so this one is saying, this is Brock Keep. He says, respect from a Dutch guy. So he's from Dutch. This man literally made his country his girlfriend. Respect. So he's respecting Chronics for making Jamaica his girlfriend. And then there is another one. Another one. So we saw the first one wishing that he was a Jamaican or he had enough money so that he can make Jamaica home for the rest of his life together with his family. And this one is called who? Teacher Onako Bola. Teacher Onako Bola says, I wish I was a Jamaican all the way from Zimbabwe. He wishes he was a Jamaican and he's all the way from Zimbabwe. Then there is Nicole Wangari. This is my tribe's woman. This one is from Kenya and actually a Kikuyu like me. And she says, she's Nicole Wangari. And she says, I really wish I was Jamaican. Love from Kenya. And his comment is backed by so many people. And people says, Kenya, we always hear. Kenya loves Jamaican. And someone says, This one says, this one is Dinel Bud Lam. And he says, yeah, same here. I from Trinidad and still admire Jamaica. I am from Trinidad and still admire Jamaica. The whole world loves and admires Jamaica. People don't take it as a joke. These are comments I'm reading from different parts of the world. People declaring their love and admiration for the country we all love, Jamaica. And this one says, this one is Jordan Fount Lino. And he says, me too. I am Black American. Jamaicans got great music, great food, and great women. So this one wishes also he was a Jamaican, and he says that the reason he wishes he was a Jamaican is because Jamaicans got great music, great food, and great women. And he loves Jamaica. And others here, So we have seen from Trinidad, who is saying they wished they were Jamaican. I'm from Palestine, and I admire Jamaica. This is Jabel. He says he's from Palestine, and he admires Jamaica. So there are so many people who are saying here that they love Jamaica and they admire them. So you are not the only one. This is another one. This is Tibogo Poco. Tibogo Poco says, you are not the only one. If you are born in Africa, my dream is just to visit Jamaica, Carabina Island, Kingston Town. So everybody here in the comment section are really wishing they were Jamaicans. And I want to tell the people of Jamaica, you do not know what you have until you lose it. Most of the people all over the world admires you. They love you. They would want to be you. They would want to relocate and come to your land. They would want to visit your land once in their lifetime. This is the kind of love the world has for Jamaica. The kind of admiration the world has for Jamaica. All those comments I've read, people are saying, I wish I was in Jamaica. I wish I can visit Jamaica once in my lifetime. And I tell you, I think Jamaicans' vibes are loved by everybody. They are liked by everybody. People admire your country. People admire your vibe. People admire your music, your food, your beauty, the country's beauty. Everybody admires. And you have seen it for yourself. People wishing they were you. People wishing they can relocate to your land. Don't you ever take your land for granted. You have a beautiful land. You are beautiful in the soul. People love you so much. They would wish to live in your nation. When you are complaining about the small things that are happening in your land, know that many people would want to be in your country. By the way, the other day, I was listening, which is okay, because if you're a Jamaican, of course you want to get more pay and be more comfortable. But imagine, guys, The money you are paid, especially if you are employed by the government in Jamaica, is far much more than the money we are paid here in Kenya when we are employed by the government. I was comparing the salary of a teacher in Jamaica and the salary of a teacher here in Kenya, and I saw that it is more than 4 times the salary a teacher gets here in Kenya. A teacher in Jamaica is paid 4 times more than the teacher here in Kenya. You have a wonderful nation, a wonderful country. There is no rad without ups and downs. But Jamaica is a great rad. A rad that is loved by many people. A rad that is admired by many people. Your culture is admired. Your music is loved. Your food is second in the top list of the world. Jamaicans, you are loved and you should be so proud of your land, because many people would want to be in your shoes. So guys, once again, a blessed 2025. This will be the end of the video, and thank you so much once again for watching us. See you during the next video. Bye and God bless. God bless you.